video, I'm gonna show you what we got going on. We got a little bit of snow, sucks. But hey, we're gonna take the front of this building here. We're gonna take that sliding door off, and we're gonna frame in for two 14-foot wide by 10-foot tall garage doors. So first thing is we gotta slide this big old slider off. We gotta take some flashing loose up there and take that cannonball tracking down right in there. So yeah, we're gonna get after it.
Fatality.
Yeah, we're cutting out that barn cut. Woo! All right, fellers, we got the headers up. It's kind of dark, can't barely see, but yeah, the header is up, both of them. We'll cut that out tomorrow right there to match that. Coming along, yes indeed. All right, guys, welcome back. As you can see, we got the openings squared off.
Nice.
Mr. Bullington got the treated, fastened, had to notch that out. Now we got to dig a hole there. And we got to dig a hole there and set the posts and get it framed in for the sides of the door. That side over there is good to go. Sometimes you need a little help.
Just do it! Surprise, motherfucker!
Now that's how you dig a hole, folks. Alright, got our posts in. Just kind of facing off the jams here. Freaking muddy ass mess. Mr. Bullington's getting the flashing up and rolling. Dude is a skilled craftsman. Doesn't get any better than that right there, fellas. Alright, day number 2. It's all framed up. Got to put the steel on it. Muddy ass mess, but it is what it is. We're going to start stacking and tracking tomorrow, baby. Looking good. Flashing on there. Yes, almost there.
Oh, yeah.
That's what happens when you get a mouse in your hardware box.
Oh shit! Alright! What?
Right there's the hole we're going to be stacking in.
No! God, please, no!
It's muddy, but we'll get this sucker hung and throw up 2 openers and we'd be done. I had to cut the part, you lagging the wall off.
Why?
Because these are for like a commercial application, 15-inch radius, and these just won't fit, with a 12-inch radius.
Nope.
If I left that flange on there and I mounted my brackets, they're going to be leaning a little bit, a little crooked. You want these things as straight as possible. You gotta do what you gotta do, guys.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Easy!
Got this one all stacked up and tracked up. I'm setting the bearing plates up there. And you know me, I bust out the laser level and make sure things are nice and straight. Getting ready to put up a spring line. Got to put the struts on it yet and hang the back. Moving forward. That away. Yes, sir. Run. Looking good, looking good.
Yeah,
like I
boy.
say, Mr. Bullington is craftsman. Check this out, man. That metal looks fantastic. Getting that corner all done and that's about it. Gotta watch out for that power line up there. Shocking experience. All right, there we go. All done. Got the doors in. We got them to fit. It was pretty tight. We got us some LiftMaster 8165s on there. Kind of basic chain drive. But yeah, well, another one bites the dust.
Another one.
Always hydrate. Black Rifle. Take a peek on the outside.
You know.
Oh yeah. That looks good. What a nutty mess. Hey, you know what? Cha-ching, we are done. Hey, thanks for checking this one out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.